Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block gambling websites on Android or Chrome. Now first, just open up Google Chrome and let's block it in here, but also block it across your entire Android phone. Now at the top right, you can see those three dots. Just tap on those and we need to get to your settings to be able to do this. It's built into Chrome, the ability to do this. So let's scroll down and at the bottom, you can see there's settings. Just tap on that. Now within here, you can always turn on a private DNS that will allow you to block all of those gambling websites. It'll also block adult websites and malware and stuff like that. So to do that, we're going to get to your privacy and security. There it is. You can see midway down, tap on that. And now all we need to do is scroll down until we get to the DNS or using a secure DNS. So you can see here it is, use secure DNS, just tap on it. It might be set to automatic, or if this is toggled off, just make sure to turn it on. Now we're going to choose another provider, not your service provider. So tap on that. And instead of custom, all we need to do is tap the little drop down arrow here. And we're going to choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. Now, this will block all gambling websites on Chrome. However, you won't be able to necessarily block it in other websites or other web browsers by going that route. You need to go into your settings to be able to block it across your entire Android phone. So within your settings, let's tap on Connections at the very top. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to where it says More Connection Settings, again at the very bottom. Now, similar to before, we're just going to make use of a DNS to be able to do this, but this is across your entire Android phone. So tap on Private DNS, and instead of off or automatic, let's choose Private DNS Provider. And you're going to type in this exact URL, family-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. You can see if I swipe over to the last part, .org. And just hit save here, and you're good to go. All gambling websites, including adult websites, will be blocked. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.